MessedUpRapBattles. Slender vs iPhone 5.
I'm iPhone 5, bitch, you can't pop this, you slender bitch probably don't have a dick. I will tear your suit apart, your outfit is cheap, I could get one from Walmart. Wow, we had a good start, me versus your white ass. You don't cause harm, make my screen static. Oh wait, you can't cause your Slender app is not on my brand.
Who gives a shit about you iPhone 5? Well, after this battle you won't be alive. I'm not just white, I can sure give people a fright. Let us enjoy fun for you other stupid pies. Litronic, you probably can't download my app because I already made your screen static and you probably don't have as much credit. I could throw on the ground then take a piss on you. I'm the Slender, I remember it so you don't have to.
You fuckface, you just drived off, YouTuber. Why would I hide from you? You probably don't have a fucking wife. What's so scary about you? You're not even scary at the knife. I mean, I could kill you with a knife. Oh sorry Slenderman, I took it too far, but you are the one who looks like they had a couple drinks at the bar.
Oh hell no, you didn't just say that Don wanted by you. You stupid crap, I got in a pad. Oh you mad? Well that's all the attention you will have. You're gonna cry then kill yourself and die. Well I'm not a nice guy, sometimes a lie, sometimes I'm sky and kill. I just met the devil, we and him will meet up for some crumpets and tea. No, I'm not British but I am from London. I'm gonna hunt for some rats. There's one bitch in my pants.
When butthole next you decide. MessedUpRapBattles.